Aloha, big kids. Today we're talking about the capital letter S. And the capital letter S looks like this. And remember with our other letter cards, first we say the letter name and we draw it in the air, S. And then we say the picture, it's a sandwich, and then we make our sound. So this is our letter S, and our letter S makes the sound. Can you make that sound with me? So S is another continuous sound, and so we hold our sound when we make it. And so I see here we have the capital or the uppercase S and our little or lowercase s. And today we're going to be working on our capital S. So when we're drawing our S in the air, I want you to think about our capital. All right, big kids, get your fingers out. Here we go. S, sandwich, nice job. Let's do it again. S, sandwich, nice job, big kids. I have a poem to share with us, and then we'll do some word sorting by beginning sounds. Let's go ahead and take a look at our poem for today. And here is the poem, and it's our initial S poem, and I will read it to you. I am thinking of a word. It begins with an S. It rhymes with meal. See if you can guess. The word is, and I remember that rhyming words are words that have the same ending sound. So the beginning sound is different, but they have the same ending sound. So it rhymes with meal, but begins with S. So the word is seal. Meal, seal. Do they rhyme? Do they have the same ending sound? Yes, they do. All right, big kids. So we know that this one starts with the S sound. So that will help us start our pile. And let's see what other letter we'll be using to help us sort. Remember this letter? It's our letter M. What sound does M make? So when we're sorting our words, we're going to be listening for or and deciding which pile to put it in. So let's get started. All right, big kids, so here's our first card. Do you remember what sound this letter makes? And here is our next letter card. Do you remember what sound this one makes? Nice job. So we had our first picture here. It's our picture of a seal. And we said it went with our S card. Let's see what picture is next. Next, we have a picture of a mask. What's the first sound in mask? Here comes our next one. Something you can wear on your foot to keep it warm. Sock. Sock. What's the first sound in sock? So it's on our S side. Nice job. Here comes our next one. Something that can be on a horse. It's called a saddle. What's the first sound in saddle? Wow, we have a lot of S words so far. We have saddle, sock, and seal. And how about this one? What's that? snake. We had a different one on our other picture card. Do you remember what it was? Sandwich. All right, and over here we have just this in our cards. We have mask and man. All right, here comes our next one. Another thing to keep us warm. Instead of keeping your feet warm, just keep your hands warm. They're called mittens. There's no fingers and it's all one part like that. It's called a mitten. What's the first sound in mitten? Next one, it's a magnet. What's the first sound in magnet? Should I put on this side? No, this is Okay, did I get it right that time? Yep, okay. This one can be bright yellow in the sky during the day. It's called the sun. What's the first sound in sun? Next one here, something you can eat for breakfast. It's a muffin. What's the first sound in muffin? Our next one here. Oh, this is very important, especially during COVID. Wash your hands in the sink. Sink. How does this one go on? Yes, correct. Put my things in a sack. Sack. Good job. We have one more. He's a cute little monkey. All right. So what sound does S make? Nice job, big kids. How about M? What sound does M make? Thanks for helping me sort out our picture cards. Have a great day. Work hard with your family. Aloha.